It starts with silence and a spark that no one else can see. A broken thing on a dusty bench, but in my head it's already flying. You see, the world was built by those who refuse to wait, who welded ideas to stubbornness and called it art. Here, imagination isn't pretty. It's loud, it burns, it bites. It leaves marks on your hands and grease on your soul. But that's how creation breathes, not from comfort, but from chaos. Every nail, every screw, every failed attempt is a whisper saying, try again. Because someday you'll look up and realize you built something no one believed in, not even you at first. So keep the lights dim.